Faculty Enrichment Summer Camp at the School of Distance Education, University of Kerala, 14th to 20th May 2023. Bringing you a gallery of inspiring speakers and the latest trends in the discipline. Dr. Pramod K. Nair from the University of Hyderabad will speak on the concept of fluid precarity and the hydro novel. Dr. Wallace Hassan from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, USA, will speak on literatures of the Global South. Dr. Rajesh V. Nair from MG University, Kerala, will speak on emerging trends in research. Dr. Amrit Sen from Vishwabharati Shantiniketan will speak on African and Caribbean writers. And Dr. Anirudh Sridhar from Alliance University, Karnataka, will speak on the critical trends of empiricism and historicism. Watch these lectures from wherever you are and scale new heights in your careers.